If you invoice customers frequently, our integration with native Shopify draft orders makes getting paid so much easier. First, it allows for customers to view and pay their open draft order invoices on the account page by logging in. This is way easier than customers digging through their email looking for an invoice. Second, you can configure reminders to go out for unpaid invoices, saving you time from having to manually remind customers, and it gets you paid more reliably. Finally, it has other little features that make life better, like being able to see when an invoice has been viewed, or not showing invoices to customers unless they've been marked visible or sent out via email, making sure that you can still control when quotes are ready for payment. Before we go through the install, I just wanted to quickly mention that our California-based team works hard to make sure that all our apps are secure and don't impact the performance of your storefront. Okay, to get started, just add the app from the Shopify App Store. From there, go to your theme, hit Customize Theme, navigate to the App Embeds tab, turn on the main app embed, and then head over to Classic Customer Accounts. Note, you may have to log in if you haven't already to a customer account to view this. From there, we'll navigate back to Sections, go to App Sections, and add the account page draft table. We can order it anywhere we want on the page and control color settings here for the section, as well as headings to match it up with your theme and make it look native. Note, if you don't have a Shopify 2.0 theme that supports section blocks on the account page, you can head over to our help desk. We have instructions for manual install there. It'll require a little bit of developer help, or you can reach out to our help desk if you have any issues. That's really it. You're good to go. Customers can now easily pay draft order invoice quotes from their customer account page.